71 Dodge Demon with a 340 is a quick little car. Can you imagine if someone put a Hemi in one of those cars? Well, here you go. It's got a 472 crate Hemi engine stuffed in that engine bay, all custom chassis, four-wheel disc brakes, beautiful red interior. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. That's where you find a price tag on this one and all the others, and a monthly payment with each car as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Slick. I bought this from a real fussy seller. I don't even need to go out and look at the car when he pulls up with something. I'm looking at a hood that's just a black mirror, absolutely straight. I'm seeing the reflection like a mirror. Lines up nice, has these two little ribs, one on each side. The fender, excellent. All the gaps are spot on. Has the little pen star painted black with a little red pinstripe in the details there. The door lines up beautifully. Shuts solid with a thunk. All straight. I mean laser straight. No ripples. All straight. No rust. No damage. All looking dynamite. The gaps are right on. All the way down to the bottom. It's a mirror finish. Beautiful, clean metal. Straight as can be. Nice thunk. That's how we like it. There is a chip right here. It's touched up. The paint is polished like a mirror all over. The red stripes really pop, especially with the redline tires. Poverty caps with the red in the middle. They are custom rims, extra wide in the back. They look like they're Mickey Thompson tires with the red line put on, and I can see there's still nubs on the treads, so it's up to you to burn those off. Front bumper, chrome is beautiful. The whole grille is real nice. Has these custom LED headlights up there. Windshield looks new. All the glass, looks like it's tinted glass, all tinted. Back windows pop out. The back window, believe has been replaced, but it is a Mopar glass. It has the emblem right there, but that's been replaced. All the rubber seals are replaced. Back bumpers re-chromed. This is a hot ticket. Again, a Hemi engine. Who would think in a Demon? Let's open it up and see that Hemi. All right, let's open her up. So underneath the trunk lid, painted slick. So is the jam. Weather strip is replaced. Now, a lot of custom work here. Look at the big wide wheel wells, and they're done sturdy. They're not all flimsy tin. So all this underneath here, all custom made. They just put this rubber felt mat in there. 2 battery boxes, you notice. Does have 2 batteries. This one is a battery tender plug-in, ready to go. Has a working light. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified as videos are posted. Eye-popping red interior. The metal on top is painted. Door panels, armrests, the bases, the handles, all been replaced. The metal's painted slick. This whole instrument panel is replaced. There's a tachometer in the middle, complete gauge cluster there. All looks real nice, clean, tidy. Of course, the tape comes right off. There's an under hood lights and there's a fuel pump. I think the other two are just dummies. New glove box liner, new dash pad. The lights work. Kick panels are real nice. Carpet, real nice bright red, and it fits real nice. Got a set of red floor mats to protect it. A touchscreen stereo system with a custom center console or speakers on each side. A cheetah shifter so you don't make a mistake and go from first to reverse or something crazy like that. Has a nice high-rise console, which I'm a big fan of, cushioned. Nice bucket seats, the original style seats, all reupholstered. The back's also reupholstered. Side panels are new. The red metal's all painted real slick. The rear shelf is new. Headliner's replaced. Dome light works. Mirror visors look new. And I really like the steering wheel. It's just the actual leather grip, tough grip wheel they call it. Real nice. Interior's in excellent shape. We're getting to the good part. This is oh, no way, it's got air conditioning. I seen the controls in there. I'm like, there's no way there's air. So they stuffed a Hemi in here, and it has air conditioning. So it's a factory AC dash, but it's modern stuff out here. Okay, so it's a 472 crate Hemi engine making 530 horsepower. Has the aluminum intake with the single 4-barrel under there, so you can actually get out and drive this car. The engine bay is all painted beautifully. All the components look clean and fresh. Heater control valve looks fresh. It has the newer fittings on the AC, so it has the 134 Freon, all painted gloss black. Got a fuel regulator. Horns look new. Alternator looks like it's painted or powder coated. Upgraded ignition. All painted slick. Radiators slick. Modern power steering system. There's the AC compressor hidden down there. Overflow bottle. New wiper motor. All the components and brackets and everything's new. There's the lights that we mentioned inside. It's got a switch in there to turn those on. This is slick. This is cool. But there's the star of the show, a Hemi. Well, Michael gets the pleasure of taking you for a ride in this thing. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Hang on tight. It's going to be a quick test drive. Got the crate 472 Hemi under the hood. I'm excited. Rated like 530 horsepower. Single 4-barrel for street ability. It does have the turbo action shifter here. This one, if you don't want to stroke through it manually, you can just leave it at first and it'll shift automatically. I did get a chance to do this run around the block, and I know that our speedometer is not working right now. So I'm going to put in a work order for that. That will be fixed before the car ever leaves here. So other than that, I notice everything does seem to be working really well. Got the super nice custom center console here with much appreciated armrests. Very nice Bluetooth capable touch screen stereo there. Guys, they managed to fit air conditioning on this little demon here. They fit on top of a Hemi. They fit air conditioning underneath there, so it does have working air conditioning as well. Power rack and pinion. This car is really tricked out, really done up on the underside. You're gonna have to check everything out on it. It's got a 4-link. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms, adjustable gas shocks. It is really done up. Well, yeah, let's see what she's got. Ride quality here. comfortable interior. These high back buckets are extremely comfortable and very kind of entrancing with their bright red color. Really digging it. Nice fat steering wheel to grab onto here. All the other gauges are working. Super cool tack there in the middle. Jump in this one, have some fun. It's a great vehicle. Again, I can't encourage you enough. There's so much going on the underside that just check out our website. All the specifics will be listed there. A lot of things going on by chassis works. It's totally checked out. Great sounding exhaust, great running motor. This thing's pretty bad. I like it. So our shop liked it too. Just minor things that we went ahead and fixed on it, mostly related to wiring stuff. We put about $1,400 into it after we purchased it, so it came to us. It was really dialed in mechanically and aesthetically as well. So yeah, but if you need all the specifics of what we did, go on our website and they will be listed there for you. If you want to come test drive, excuse me, you can do that as well. We welcome you here. Just contact our sales department first. Joey or Eric will arrange that for you. We just need about a day's notice. We get the cars out and all that. Everything is in the museum setting. So, but yeah, no complaints here. Great experience overall. I'm totally digging it. Check out all the details, the pictures, and the full description on volocars.com.
So there's a complete custom chassis under this car to handle that power. Up front, it looks like a Heights independent suspension, custom crossbar, tubular control arms, coil-over adjustable gas shocks, drop spindles, has a rack and pinion steering setup. So it's all custom unit up front. Now they welded in frame rails front to back, countersunk them right into the floors. Looks like Chrysler put them there. That keeps the car from twisting with all that added power. In back, it does have a 4-link system, a Chassis Works 4-link with coil-over adjustable gas shocks. It is tubbed. I was mistaken. It does have the tubs in the trunk, but the floor is actually the original floor. They did not have to tear into it that far. Just wheel tubs fit in there. So yeah, all custom adjustable chassis, front to back. Disc brakes in the front. Nice custom exhaust, all stainless steel. Has the X-pipe, Flowmaster mufflers. And it still has the factory style tips coming out the back. You look up at the motor, has an extra capacity oil pan, high torque starter. It's a built 727 torque flight automatic. Has the reverse valve body in there. Rebuilt drive shaft, rebuilt rear end with sure grip gears, new fuel system. So it's got it all underneath. The floors are all solid. They're all painted with that rubberized coating under there. This is one bad car right here, folks, in a good way. And I'm still surprised that it has air conditioning on top of it all. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman about your questions. They can help get this delivered to your door, and they'll help you get it financed. Thanks for watching.